Okay, it's working.
Is it on your account?
No. It's just our video recorder's working, so I'm just gonna make a new video on YouTube. Alright. There. So we get some aimbot up in this game.
Which game? Oh.
If you guys want me to play a different game other than Hack, just let me know. Just put comments in the comment section if you want a different video besides hacking, because I think that's all I'll be doing for a while. Okay. This server's like absolutely trash. Because I don't even think I'll need aimbot for this server because everybody's horrible. Alright, that's in. Alright, there we go. Oh, look, everybody's getting better. See, this is the power aimbot has.
You know that's cute.
Damn. Okay, what in dog's name is going on? Can you even hear my music over this game? Oh my fucking god, I hate this game. Like, not only because, like, I scroll and shit, so because I don't even scroll as much, and then once I scroll, it changes my weapon to a knife, and I'm wanting to fucking beat the shit out of people with a gun. This guy is absolutely not going to win. If you guys want to get this hack, just go to Nate Bang Hacks. They should have the hack you're looking for. If you want this one, it's called Dreadguard. If you guys just need any help, just put something down in the comment section and I'll be more than likely to read it. Alright. $82 for a rocket launcher. What kind of logic is that? I mean, in real life, would have blown all your limbs off, and you wouldn't be able to walk for the rest of your life, or you'd most likely be dead. Alright. What kind of bullshit is this? Bitch. guys, I think I'm gonna crash the game. You ugly bastards aren't going to me. Don't take the kills, let me get a kill, you ugly stick bastards. You won't see this coming. Woo, boy. Guys, I honestly just do this to get wins because I'm honestly too lazy just to win myself. Oh my god, was he doing that dance from Spider-Man 2? I swear to god he was. Oh, nice. Alright, you guys are just going to hack prison life. Fucking ass. Alright, there we go. Copy paste. Back. Oh no. Alright, there we go. Just had to fix it. New robbery and jet skis for jailbreak. I might have to see this. Oh, there it is.
Did you have you as a friend on this account?
No.
Why?
Too lazy.
No.
Don't even get into my video.
What?
Don't even get into my video.
I will.
Alright, boys. His brain can't come up with anything virtual. Okay, son. Of course, we got another hacker.
You got yours only hacker?
You shit. Okay. Whatever old man says. So now I can't grab guns. Alright, boys. Okay, there we go. Alright, so now I'm just killing everybody, so let me just take it off, actually. Okay, I can't take it off, so you know what happens now, guys. It isn't working. What is wrong? What did I do? Prison life is easy to hack. I agree with you, bud. Because like prison life has so many reasons they need to fix why nobody plays it. Because you guys need to agree with me that prison life doesn't even work anymore. They say they fix the game a lot, but most of the time it's completely broken and they need to add, what do you call it? Anti-hacks, something like that, anti-exploit. And, okay, I thought there's another hacker. Oh, what kind of bullshit was that? Alright, you better stop crashing Dread Guard, or I swear to God, I'll just execute you. Alright, this is pretty cool. No, actually, I'm not even got a mod. I don't see no mod. Do not. Alright, you stupid bastards, you're all going to hell.
Is there danger of zombie attack too? Near that?
Oh, where's it at? There it is. Just need to walk speed now. Alright, boys. Maybe I need aimbot for this game because I'm absolutely horrible at aiming. Get out of here, Green Man. You too, Green Man Jr. Let's be friends, shark cops. Okay. It's your boy, computer. Oh my god, is it really your boy, computer? Oh my god, I didn't know your boy, computer was in this game. Oh, you little shit. Oh, kid, you're like... Oh my god, I can't even aim today. Does my jump power work in this? Oh no, it crashed. Alright, boys. Oop. I think I'm just gonna get a different GUI. Oh god, G. Okay. People are sending me stupid messages. They're absolutely trash. Yes, what kind of bullshit aiming is that?
I was trying to kill this dude.
Alright, boys. Fucking anus, this always happens. Don't worry, guys, once I figure out how to do local exploits, I'll just do that. Well, I think I just need to end this right here. But, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.